Hey guys, Christopher here. As you can see, the lawn is coming in nicely. So is my 2020 is giving up, and so have I, Beard. I've had a lot of stuff going on, so I know this video is a tad bit late. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna apply box 3. I've already put down part of it on some of the yard. We've had a lot of high temperatures this month, so I haven't really felt comfortable putting a lot down since a lot of my grass is kind of starting to come up in the first place. The soil wasn't very good, so now that we've started to improve the soil, I have a lot of grass coming up. I'm not trying to stress it out by adding stuff down. We did get a few days where the temperature dropped below 85. It was nice and cool, breezy. We were getting a little bit of rain. So I did put the product down on part of the yard, but I saved the biggest part of the yard to show you guys the application. I can actually kind of do the whole TV magic, put it in the oven, now it's done type of thing, and go ahead and show you guys the results. This month I got a selective herbicide called Weed Beater with iron. You can actually spray different kinds of weeds in your grass and it doesn't kill your grass. If you remember in the last video I said I was having a problem with weeds and they were going to send me some stuff out. This is Jonathan Green soil food. It's a granular, helps loosen hard soils, get that pH down under 7. It's got the spreader settings on the back, and of course Lawn Serv sends you their detailed instructions with the spreader settings and different patterns you can use. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put the granular down. You're going to spread it just like all the other products that we spread, and as you know, everything that's sent to you is for the square footage of your yard. So as long as you've done this before and you know how to divide up your yard, halfway done with your yard, half of your product should be gone. So I've already done part of my yard, so what's left is for basically just this area right here. Then we have a weed treatment we're gonna try. We're gonna spray a few weeds and we'll see how well that works out in the next video. So let's go ahead and spread this down and we'll get more into that later. So you guys have seen it on the channel before, my super awesome spreader. We're gonna go get it out of the shed and we're gonna get to work. I know what you guys are thinking. I have quite a bit of weeds going on in the yard right now, but that doesn't mean what Lawn Serv is doing isn't working. Honestly, my yard is probably way more full than it has been. I can definitely tell quite the increase of fullness in when I'm mowing. Especially with a real mower, you can really feel how thick the blades are and how thick your turf is. What you're seeing is quite a huge improvement without doing any sort of renovation to the lawn. Yeah, there's weeds, but there's weeds here because there was no grass here when the season started. So this fall, when we go to start doing some renovations, we're not gonna kill stuff off, we're not gonna do anything like that. We're gonna core aerate, we're gonna dethatch, and we're gonna heavily overseed. That way in the spring, more grass comes in, there's no dirt exposed to actually bring up weeds. And that, with the combination of our pre-emergent, we won't have this problem next year. Situation where you have weeds kind of all in one area here and they keep popping up, you're going to use something like this, which is like kind of a more all over spot treatment. This is nice right here, handheld, so you can just kind of spray a few spots that you have. You don't want to spray it too high of temperature, which is part of the reason why I have a lot more weeds in my yard than I would like. It's been so hot lately, we haven't been able to actually use half of the stuff on the yard. So we have a little bit of cooler temperature, so it's perfect for us to kind of give it a test and see how well this works. So you just want to spray it. We'll come back in the next video and we'll see how well it did. It does say it's got a lot of iron in it, so hopefully it greens up the grass that just got hit with the chemical around the weeds. So we'll come back and look at that. In the summertime, concrete and asphalt gets a lot hotter than the soil, so the grass around those areas will normally start to stress, and everything on this side of the line is actually overgrown grass of the road, and everything on the right is actually my yard, and that's why you can see it's struggling pretty bad. This is before I added box 3. As you can see, it's pretty thin. Now you can see it has really filled in. It is thick, it's lush, and it's looking so much better. If you guys are like me, this is your first year doing lawn care and you want to learn about it, you want to learn about your yard specifically, I 100% recommend Lawn Serv. And if you'd like to check them out yourself, get all these products specifically for your yard and your lawn soil based off your location, go ahead and click the link in the description. It will take you over to lawnserv.com and go ahead and get signed up. And I'm telling you, it's going to help you. It helped me quite a bit because I tried to do some stuff last year and this did not look the way it does now. Head over to lawnserv.com, check them out. You won't be disappointed. It's Sunday in Indiana. We got neighbors drunk and yelling. Really hard to make a video. This guy's trimming something. I don't even know. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notifications when I upload. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.